Hello. I'm on a never-ending quest for the perfect keychain screwdriver. I showed this, for instance, a while back. It's not much bigger than, say, a chapstick tube, and it holds 8 bits. I showed how to make this from some Dollar Tree screwdrivers you sort of put together yourself. I've never found a perfect design. Models called the Screw Pop, for instance, is kind of cool. This one, made by True Utility, is kind of nifty, except that it uses half-size bits, not full-size bits. This one's nice. Key Tool, I highly recommend this. Unfortunately, they don't exist anymore, so I don't know where to buy it. I occasionally see a Radio Shack clone of it on eBay from time to time. But I saw this one online. It looked intriguing. It has a lock mechanism on it. You can use the key ring as an added torque device. I thought that looks kind of cool. You can buy it for about $6 online from Amazon, but under $2 if you buy it directly from Asia and wait a month. So I got it. I noticed that in the ads for it, they showed an extra long bit in it. I thought, oh, well, that's interesting. It'll take extra long bits. But you know what? It will not work with normal size bits. And this is what I wanted to warn people about. If you put a full size bit in it, sure, it does lock in, and you have to pull this back in order to release it. So that's good. But you know what is not locked? If you push into your device to screw it down, gone. The locking mechanism is sort of an outward lock only, and then it's hard to even get this out. You have to sort of push it through with some sort of a implement from the rear side, or pull very hard. So this really only works with very long bits that'll bottom out when they hit the key ring here. So just a warning, do not buy this, at least not if you want to use normal size bits.